Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you new honey achievement and grow garden game of Roblox BCB event update part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. The BCB event update part 2 has been released in Grow a Garden and there is new achievement. You can go to the guide to view the achievement. Okay, this is one of the mini achievements in Grow a Garden. It's called Honey Achievement 2026 Achievements. And I'm going to view it. Okay, and these are the rewards that you can get from this achievement. You will get the hive seed pack, and then the hive crate, and BCB fence, and also the bee statue. And these are the quests that you need to complete to finish this achievement. And oh my god, the quests are so crazy guys, and I think it's really impossible. Oh my god, it's almost impossible because you need to hatch 300 bee eggs and earn 1 million honey coins. Oh my god. Obtain a panic bee, obtain an illusion bee, and then incubate one honey pollen vine. The pollen vine is really hard to get. Obtain an elemental bee and convert 5 seeds to jelly. Earn 1000 royal jelly. Oh my god, it's almost impossible, but yeah, we can try. And as you can see, the rewards are not really worth. Even we don't get the hive egg, we just get the hive crate and hive seed pack. Oh, it's so crazy guys. And okay guys, that's all about the honey achievement 2026 and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.